Hello, my name is Parker Wicks. I'm with the Western Area Power Administration CRIS Management Center, and today I'll be talking to you about markets in the West. The intent of putting all this together is to give all of our participants at the upcoming Market Strategy meeting in Phoenix, Arizona on April 9th to 10th a brief overview of topics before that meeting. Topics that we wanted to cover included some basics on the grid, WAPA, the Western Interconnection, and some of the different types of market constructs that we see in the electric industry. Some of the topics that we will be covering may be too basic for many of you, but we hope that the material will ensure that all of the participants at our meeting have a common understanding of some of the different market constructs prior to the meeting in Phoenix. We hope that this will ensure that we'll have a robust discussion regarding our energy future. And if you're interested in learning more in depth about the topics that we're going to cover here today, there's a wealth of information available on the internet. We have broken up each topic into its own short module. If there's a topic that you already are very familiar with, please feel free to skip the module and only watch the modules that you feel will be helpful.